case you don't already know, for the next 30 days, I'm gonna finish and upload a song every single day. Yesterday we made this.
No choice when I say that I'm gonna clean up.
It's day 5.
The Matrix is a system, Neo. Most of these people are not ready to be unplugged. Were you listening to me, Neo? Or were you looking at the woman in the red dress?
I was.
Look again.
How to top G house. Something I've really noticed during these last few days is that organization is fucking key, man. So I decided to have 4 separate sections. One for the drums, the effects, the synths, and a final one for the vocals. I just want the basic shit. Oh my God, this looks fire, dude. This looks so fire. I got a little idea. Fire loop from my Pack Destruction. This little bass line with the patch from Splice. And I layered that with this little chord patch. I get crunk when the bass line hits. All the real top G's, put your hands up. Yeah. Stupid. That's just dumb. I think that's a pretty good fundamental idea, am I right? Damn. You know what I forgot to add to the template? A sidechain channel. I'm gonna add it on the next one.
The real top G.
Top G's, put your hands up. I'm a real top G. Only person God trusts is me. Everybody knows that God be the real top G.
So I ended up only using 2 lines from that recording.
I'm a real top G. The real top G.
Alright guys, I think I'm done. This was a weird one. I'm just fucking tired. Has anyone ever even done this challenge before? Am I the only person on earth that's ever tried this challenge? Bro, this shit's fucking stupid as fuck. Here it is, the final fucking version. I'm just gonna upload this one, let's go.
I'm a real top G. I'm a real top G. I'm a real top G. The real top G. Top G. The real top G. The real top G. The real top G. I'm a real top G.
It's got some cool parts in there. It's not like all cool, but it's got some cool parts. Am I tripping?
I'm a real top G. The real top G. I'm a real top G. The real top G.
That second drop felt better for some reason.
Top G.
That's it. That's today's creation. It's honestly incredible that I'm even finishing a song a day, bro. Like, fucking Christ. Now I'm gonna do 255 push-ups. Fuck.